In the journey to get fit and healthy, many of us start with big goals, but find it hard to stick with them. Did you know that 73% of people give up on their New Year's fitness goals very quickly? Another fact says 90% quit after just 3 months. There are many reasons why it's so hard to keep up with fitness goals. Maybe we forget about eating right. We make our fitness plans too complicated. We may lack motivation or don't think about health issues we already have. But imagine if you could have a team of fitness buddies, all experts in their fields, helping you out. Think of having your own fitness coach, diet expert, cook, body movement specialist, cheerleader, and health advisor, all rolled into one personalized team. These helpers are called agents, which might sound fancy, but they are pretty simple. An agent is like a helper with specific skills, following certain rules, and a model attached to it, and can use different tools and knowledge to help you. They work together, taking in information like how old are you, how fit you are, and what food you like to give you a plan that's just for you. They can suggest exercises, show you how to make healthy meals, keep you motivated, and it's all customized just for you. You don't have to use some fancy package to create an agent and make it interact with each other. You could create one yourself with some for loops and passing some prompts to the model, getting some responses, and passing it to another agent. But in this video, for simplicity, I'm going to use an interesting library that simplifies the agent creation process and make the agent collaborate with each other. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm using OpenAI library and I'm using CrewAI library. To use OpenAI library, you need OpenAI API key. For that, I'm using .environment file. So the .environment file looks like this, .environment sample. So here you can create OpenAI underscore API underscore key, and you can have your API key. Once this is done, what you can do is you can run this code. So here I'm using .environment library to load the OpenAI API key. Once this is done, you can upgrade OpenAI if you want, and you have to install CrewAI library. So you can do pip install CrewAI upgrade. To run this, just select uncomment and you can run it. Then I'm going to create two tools. One tool for searching the internet and other tool to search YouTube. For example, let's say you are asking an agent to create some fitness goals. The agent could look into YouTube and find some relevant videos for your learning. So that will be helpful. Let's create two tools. To creating tools, I'm using langchain.tools, import YouTube search tool, this one, and YouTube tool, YouTube search tool. Now you can use YouTube tool.run, how to make a cake, and it will find relevant videos. If you click the video, it will be about making a cake. Now let's import CrewAI library. So we are going to import agent, task, and finally process. I'm also adding the OpenAI API key in the environment. Now let's define our model. So I'm going to use GPT-4 Turbo Preview, which is the recent OpenAI model. To use the model, we are going to use LangChain library. So from LangChain OpenAI.chat models, import chat OpenAI. Now we are going to create a model, and model name is GPT-4 Turbo Preview. So this is the recent OpenAI model. Now let's add the tools. Maybe let's create one more tool, which is DuckDuckGo search. So that helps to search the internet, which is DuckDuckGo search run. Now let's add here. Tool. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create agents. So agent means it has a model and it has some role and it also has some goals. Then we can also attach some tools in it. So that's all agent is. Agent is nothing complicated, which is very simple, which is like a model that surrounds by a lot of other components. Let's create a few agents. I'm going to create a personal trainer. So we created personal trainer, which is an agent. It has some role, personal trainer, and it has some goal. Goal is to guide clients in fitness and exercise routines. And it has some backstory. Backstory is like what this personal trainer is, what's his previous experience, those kind of things. Then verbose equal to true. You will see all the things happening behind the scene. Then allow delegation, which means this agent can ask other agent to do some task. Then we added two tools, which is search tool and YouTube tool. Then our LLM is model, which is OpenAI. You can see it here. Our model is here. So let's run this. We have created a personal trainer. So similarly, we are going to create nutrition consultant. Now we are going to create physiotherapist, a wellness coach, and yoga instructor, healthy cooking chef, plan writer. So this plan writer will incorporate details from all these agents and it will write a fully working plan for you. Now we have created an agent. Now let's define our client. Let's start with adding client details. Let's call the client as job, age 20, gender male. Similarly, I added the fitness level, which is beginner, and their goal is weight loss. And medical conditions, I added back pain and asthma. And dietary preference, I added vegetarian. And their current weight is 200 pounds. And target weight is 180 pounds. And the height is 6 feet. So this is our client details. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to create task. We are going to create a few tasks. One is workout task, meal plan task, injury prevention task, motivational support task. So we will be creating a few tasks. As you can see, I have created a few tasks. So let's read this one workout task. Create a personalized workout plan for this client based on the following details. And you can see all the details that we created here. Similarly, I have created meal plan task, injury prevention task, motivational support task, and plan writing task. Let's run this. This looks good. So far, if you see, we have created agent and we have created task. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a crew. The crew will use all the agents and work together to achieve all our tasks. So let's do that. Fitness crew, agents. I have added all our agents. Now task, added all the task. Verbose. You can see all the outputs. Process, process.sequential. CrewAI library supports two process. One is sequential and other is hierarchical. So sequential means it will take all the task one by one and it will try to finish it. For example, it finished the personal trainer one and then the output will pass to the next one. Finally, if you go through the plant writer can access all the previous output. And with that information, it will create a detailed plan for you. And let's create manager LLM, which is the model. So we created a fitness crew. Now we can start the fitness results. So now you can see it running. So here you can see some of the planning things it's happening. So entering new crew agent executor chain to create a personalized workout plan for John, considering his unique specifications, I will focus on. You will see what's it's thinking. It created some plans. So this is the proposed workout plan. So now it's thinking with nutrition consultant, design a customized meal plan for John with these details. Now it's talking to physiotherapist because John has history of back pain and asthma. It will get its expert feedback. So now it's using our tool, which is YouTube tool, to find relevant videos for each workout plan and nutrition plan or for each day, which is very helpful. So now with all these details, our plan writer agent going to write a detailed plan for you, incorporating motivation quote and few other information like nutrition plan and workout plans. So now our plan writer agent going to incorporate all the previous information that comes from nutritionist, fitness trainer, motivational speaker, and it's going to write a very detailed plan for you. So we have, so the agent has run. To display the results, I'm going to use from ipython.display input display markdown. Then I can use the display function. Here I can pass the first output. This is not the final output. It has a few output because we have created 5 different tasks. This is the first task output. You can see the output here. Similarly, I'm displaying all the intermediate results. This is task 1 output, and task 2 is nutrition consultant, their feedback and plans, and physiotherapist plans. Then finally, this is our output. Here you can see on Monday, it's asking us to do this workout. And with this nutrition plan, on Tuesday, it has provided some code and then some workout plan and nutrition plans. The codes are very interesting. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. Let me click some YouTube videos. You can see how to do a jumping jack. I feel like this is super helpful. I think with this CrewAI, you can create a lot of agents that's personalized for your task. You can take your fitness to next level with this. I hope this is helpful.